routine traffic stops that turn deadly. Getting shot is sadly part of the job for many officers. What starts as a normal call can go bad in seconds, leaving no time to react. Case 1. On August 10, 2018, in Northampton County, Pennsylvania, officers conducted a traffic stop on a driver who appeared heavily intoxicated. When they attempted to arrest him, the suspect violently resisted, leading to a physical altercation where both officers sustained significant injuries.
Relax. I don't like doing this any more than you do. I got him. Keep the taser on. Keep the taser on. Get on your back! Get on your back! Get on your back! All right. Get on your back! My God! My God! Look, fuck this! All right, people. Get the f*** on your back! Oh, Jesus. You gotta try to get that. Talk to me. You talk to me. You son of You talk to me. Stay with us, buddy. Come on. Get something on.
Despite being in rough shape after the incident, both officers eventually recovered. The suspect was arrested at the scene and now faces multiple charges related to resisting arrest and assault on law enforcement. Suspect arrested. Both officers recovered. In Oklahoma, dashcam footage captured the harrowing moment a state trooper was violently thrown through the air after a vehicle collided with his patrol car during a traffic stop. The sudden crash turned an ordinary enforcement into a life-threatening situation.
Okay, that took a long time. So here's your car back. You're suspended. Okay, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm letting you drive off of here. 362 City, I was just hit by a car. Start EMS.
Thankfully, the trooper survived the crash and received medical treatment. Incidents like these show just how dangerous and unpredictable roadside stops can be for law enforcement. Trooper survived the violent collision. Case 3. On February 4th, 2021, near Deming, New Mexico, Officer Darian Jarrett initiated a traffic stop on a white Chevrolet pickup. The driver, Omar Felix Cueva, exited with an AR-15 style rifle and ambushed Officer Jarrett, fatally shooting him at close range. What followed was a massive multi-agency pursuit spanning several miles, ending in a deadly shootout.
Afternoon, sir. My name's Darian Jarrett. I'm with New Mexico State Police. The reason for the stop is your window tint's a little too dark. Yeah. Do you mind if I open the door? Or if you want to roll down the window more.
Dark?
Yeah. I noticed you got temp tags. You got a registration for the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
I'll need registration and your driver's license as well. Right. You got... Okay. All right. Do you have insurance for the vehicle? Yeah. Where is it? It's with the wallet. Do me a favor. Come with me to my vehicle. That way I can run your name and date of birth, and then that way I can get my return. Okay. Go ahead. Shut the vehicle off if you want. It's up to you.
You can run my name if you want.
Well, I know.
Well, she's on the phone actually. Babe, can you send me a photo of my license and find my wallet?
That'll work. Grab the phone and come with me to my vehicle so I can get the return, and then I can make sure that everything's good.
That's right.
Okay. What was your name?
Omar Cueva?
Omar Cueva?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Cueva.
O-M-A-R-C-E-V-A.
Okay. And then you'll show me the picture right away because I got paperwork I gotta do. You know? Hey, real quick. You have a firearm on you? Yeah. No, I see it. Waist. Do me a favor. You mind if I take it off you for my safety? All right, hold on. All right, let's go to my vehicle, okay? Come on.
Control 51, status check on traffic.
There he goes! Yeah! Watch out! Hey!
Officer Jarrett, a dedicated officer and father of 3, was tragically killed in the line of duty. Cueva was fatally shot after a running gun battle with multiple law enforcement agencies. Officer Jarrett's sacrifice is honored across New Mexico.
He straight shot at that car.
Officer killed. Suspect shot after pursuit. Case 4. On May 7th, 2023, in North Charleston, South Carolina, Deputy Evan Cubbage stopped a vehicle for heavily tinted windows. During a tense encounter, passenger James Pierce opened fire on the deputies, seriously wounding Deputy Cubbage in a sudden and violent escalation.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, man. Deputy Cubbage, Charles County Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over, alright, is your improper lane use. You're all over the road, back and forth, back and forth.
My car's on nuts. I was trying to find a place to pull over.
Oh, okay. Do you have your registration and insurance? Why do you have gloves on? Oh, you're trying not to get corona?
I ain't wanting nothing to happen. No, sir.
Alright.
I got the insurance.
Any firearms in the car at all? Huh? You said you're looking for that insurance?
Yeah, my phone cracked, so it won't let me click anything.
How long ago did you buy this? Couple months?
I was getting it fixed and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, no big. I'm not gonna bust. I think it expired in January. Like I said, I'm not gonna bust your chops over that. You still live on Joy Street?
Mm-hmm.
Where's Ruffin? Huh?
Close to Walterboro.
Okay. Say again?
They won't let me click
Her
anything.
phone is-
Oh,
It's jumping.
It does whatever it wants to. I have more, like, it's more updated than this, but that's only what I can get to right now.
Alright, hey, hop out.
Alright.
Hop out. Don't reach for anything.
I'm not reaching for nothing, man.
He's got a gun! Hey, I'm hit, he's down. I'm hit. Hey, what you got? Get back, hey, get back. To my knees. Get down! Come on. Get back. What you got? I'm hit twice. Talk to me. I'm hit in my leg. I need help with he's dead. He's dead, bro. Let's go. I got you. Watch him. Cover me. Hey, cover me. I got you. I'm hit. I got you. I hit twice.
Where?
In my leg. Let's go. Get down on the ground. Down. It's coming out. Keep going. I got you. Keep going. I need you to come lay down on the ground now. Lay down now.
Where else you hit?
Oh, right leg. Right leg? Yeah. Put it
Team secure. Starting EMS. 106 is hit twice.
Shut up.
It's secure enough. I got you.
I'm not being arrested. I didn't know. Oh my God.
Deputy Cubbage was shot 3 times but released from the hospital later that night. James Pierce was killed at the scene. An unidentified female driver was detained, though it's unclear if she faced any charges. Deputy wounded. Suspect shot dead. Case 5. On November 11th, 2022, in Bucyrus, Ohio, officers located a silver Honda SUV tied to a random shooting in neighboring Morrow County. As they attempted a traffic stop, the suspect, wearing a motorcycle helmet and armed with a rifle, opened fire on police through the rear window of his vehicle.
God! Don't you move! Don't move! You move, I'll blast you, mother.
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Move!
Yes, sir.
You're gonna die!
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
the hell
sir.
are you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, here's one here. Look.
Don't you move! Don't you
I'm
move!
just standing for the tires, all right? I understand, okay?
Get the out here, you mother.
Okay.
I'm not playing with you!
I understand, okay?
Officers returned fire, striking the suspect's helmet and leading to his surrender. Jacob Dan Davidson remains in custody and faces multiple felony charges, including felonious assault and improperly handling a firearm in a vehicle. Suspect surrendered, indicted on multiple charges.